Hi, and welcome to Shop Rjpasini for great deals on eBay. Today I just want to go over really quick. I have my display board set up. It's in regards to two model airplanes that I picked up model airplane kits. It's the F-18 or F-16 Thunderbird and the F-18 Hornet. They're both pre-owned. One model, the F-18 Hornet, was started to being built, but no one ever completed it. And the other one, the F-16 Thunderbird, is a new model. The plastic wrapping I don't have on it, but the plane is intact as far as like that, all new packaging and stuff like that. The plane was never opened. So I'm going to go to my display area and I'm just going to talk a little about it. And you check it out for yourselves. They will be up on eBay hopefully tonight. So if you guys are interested, please don't hesitate to message me with any questions, or comments, whatever. I'll be more than happy to answer them. I don't have any price points just yet, but be on the lookout. They will be on eBay if you are interested in model planes. These are model airplanes, aircraft ones, military planes. So if you guys are interested, stick around and check it out. I'm going to go to my display area, talk really brief about it, and then come back and close the video out. Stick around, please. Thanks. Okay, here's what we got. Here, hopefully it's going to be a brief video, I hope. I'm going to try anyway. Here we have a pre-owned, uncompleted McDonnell Douglas F-18 Hornet, made in Italy. And I'm just going to go over it really quick. Just give you a little idea of the condition of the box. It's not in great condition, folks. It's a 1/48 scale, as you can see here, model. Okay. As you can see, the box is not in the greatest shape. It does have some wear on it. It's not. You can see it's pretty. The box is pretty disheveled, but the item inside is still intact as far as I can see here. It comes with the instruction manual here. You can see we put it up. Okay, and I believe all the parts are here. The difference with this one here, as opposed to the next one I'm going to show you. It looks like somebody had started putting this together. Here's part of the fuselage, but they never completed. It's probably one of those things that they started and never completed for whatever reason. I don't know. You're getting here, as far as I know, I believe all the parts to be here, folks. I hope they're all here. If not, I'm sure if you are the lucky bidder of it, you will let me know. But as far as I know, I believe all the parts are here. Okay, you can see what we got going over here. For some reason, I guess some people, they start something, they never finish it, and that's what it looks like here. This one here, I believe goes like this, I think, or goes this way, I'm not really sure. It looks like the piece, looks like they try to glue it on here, but I think this one here is going to have to be fixed here. It's got to be, retouched up with glue. Apparently it looks like it broke off from here, but it is part of the wing assembly. I guess that's how it's going to look when it's finished. Okay. You got your tail rudder here. You got I don't know what this is here, whatever. You got your decals. Apparently, I don't think anybody started. I don't know if they started to put any decals on here. Looks like something here, but it could be glue. I don't know. The plane, like I said, it's in nice condition. I mean, it wasn't painted or anything like that, but like I said again, they probably started it and never finished it for what reason, I don't know. Here's the other part that would go here. Okay, like I said again, it was started but never put together. Here is the canopy. Okay, that goes on here, or like this, whatever. There is no little, figurine that goes in there as well. Okay, so that's what we got going on. And again, as far as I know, it has everything on it. I believe all the parts are here. Okay, so that's what we got going on here, and that's that. Okay, so I'm going to keep moving right along here, and that is again. That is for the F-18 Hornet. Okay, let me just move this stuff here so it doesn't get broken. We don't need any more pieces here to be destroyed. Well, not really destroyed, but that's what we got going on with that. And next one we got over here. This one came in a box. The box is in pretty decent condition. It's got a little, wear on it over here for the most part. Overall, though, this was never started. Okay. The clear wrapping is off on it. I can rewrap it again with plastic, which I probably will do. As you can see over here, you get 4 airplanes. This is the parts for it. Okay, they're still wrapped up. Here's the fuselage for the plane. You get 4 and 4, folks. So you get 4 individual plane fuselages. Okay, okay, as you can see here. All right, and you get 4, I guess, part of the wing assembly along, I guess, with the arsenal here, like the bombs or missiles, whatever. You get 4 of these here, okay. All right, there's the other package. All right. Okay, you get the instruction manual that comes with it, how to put it together. Okay, it's pretty good, pretty not bad condition. Okay, you need to put this together. And this video is basically for the model kit builder who likes to build model planes. Okay, as far as I know, everything is intact with this here. I put the plaques in here in this bag. The canopies are in here. Okay, you get this plaque here with it, that comes with it. Here's the decals. There's 4 separate decals like that come with it as well. You get 4 sheets like this to decorate the plane. I don't know, I guess you could do it like this if you want to emulate it, paint it, you know, with the blue and white like that they have there, and then you can put your decals on afterwards. There's no glue or paint included with this here, so when you're getting this here, you're going to be responsible to buy all the glue. Then you get this plaque that comes with it. I guess you would glue this on here. Oops, excuse me for 1 second. This here you would glue up. This little insignia goes in the middle over here, like that. Okay. I guess you could glue that in. I believe, like that. That would be it. That's how it looks. Okay. And I don't know. It looks like somebody put something on here. I don't know if they painted it or that's the way it was. I don't know if they did it for that reason. I don't know. And again, all the canopies are in here. The glass canopies. I put them here because I didn't want them to get lost in the box. Okay. That's how they look like that. All right. And yeah, you get a base, a clear base. I am not sure how this works, folks. I think you would just peel this off, and then you would mount the planes in here somehow. That I don't know. That I don't know, and I don't know. I guess it would hang up like that there, but I don't know where this comes into play. Maybe somehow when the planes hang up, you know, I guess they mount there somehow. Maybe that's where this gets mounted over here. I don't know about this one here, folks, how this works, but. This is the base for it, I guess the clear base. And again, I believe the planes mount somewhere here, I think. All right, I don't know exactly, but I believe that's what that's for. Okay, I don't think there's any wiring or anything that goes through here. I was trying to look in the instructions to see what they're all about here, but as far as that part goes, I really don't know as far as that part goes, folks. Let me see what they got here. Bear with it for 1 second, folks, because I'm just trying to. I would like to be a little helpful when it comes to stuff like this. Here it says over here, disc display. If you're looking at it, for those who know how to do this here, it looks like I guess the plane mounts here. I don't know, maybe a wing slides in here and a wing. Oh, I don't know, that goes in there. I'm not really sure if you see what I'm talking about. I don't think there's anything that connects to this here, as far as I know. But I think this is how it mounts, and this is the background in white, whatever, engraved insignia in blue. I guess you would paint it, whatever, but I think that's how that would mount. I think these planes, somehow the wings, I think, mount in here. You would see that there when you're putting it together. Let's see if they got things in here. I'm not really sure, folks. All I know is these packages were never opened, so I'm assuming, and I know what they say about assuming, everything should be here, okay? Everything is intact as far as I know, okay? You got, like I said, you get 4 of these here. Now, these here, I think, are where the plane would mount. That's what it looks like here. I think these are the pieces. See these pieces here? I think when you put these on a wing, I think this is for the mounting. I would think. All right. I don't know. Like I said, I'm just going by what I look here. But again, you get 4 pieces. You get 4 packs of each. You get all your decals. You get the instructions. You get this thing here, this insignia display here. I don't know if someone tried painting this or not, or went over it with magic mark or whatever. I don't know, but it looks like they started it and they never finished it. But again, it is an unassembled plane, and like I said, it is new. Okay, like I said, nothing's been taken out. If you guys got any questions about any of this stuff, folks, please don't hesitate to contact me. I'd be more than happy to answer any of your questions. This is all I got going on, folks. So again, don't hesitate, and I'm going to sign off on this here. And again, they will be on eBay hopefully tomorrow. Today I'll probably be doing some photos, but if you are interested in any of these model airplanes, please don't hesitate to let me know about it, okay? And that's, again, is for the F-16 Thunderbird, and we got the McDonnell Douglas model here. F-18 Hornet. Okay, so just keep that in mind, guys. I'll talk to you. I just want to close out this video. So thanks again. All right. Okay, folks, that concludes the video. I hope it helped out in any way. If you like what I do with these videos, please subscribe to my channel. If you get anything out of them, please give them a thumbs up. And for those who don't know me, my name is Rjpasini from Shop Rjpasini for great deals on eBay. And I hope you enjoy the other videos. And I just want to also say thank you. I'll give a shout out to all the new subscribers who have subscribed to me. Thank you very much. I appreciate you subscribing to my channel. And also, I just want to say, folks, in closing, that these items and all the items I have listed on eBay are going to be listed with best offers. I don't have a price point right now to give you, to give you a confirmed price right now, because I have to do a little research on them. But they will be offered with, best offers. So please don't be intimidated by the prices. Make your best offers on any of the merchandise I have. Okay, I'm trying to liquidate so I can get newer things. Maybe better quality items to put up. Maybe more antique type of items, maybe some new in between, when I come across them. So please don't hesitate. Anyway, folks, I don't want to take too much of your time. I just want to say thank you very much for stopping by and listening to my video, and I hope it helps in any way. And again, my name is Rjpasini, and I just want to say thanks again. Have a great weekend. I'll talk to you next time. Thanks a lot, guys. Bye-bye. Have a good day now.